Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to enable dark mode in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Dark mode doesn't need much explanation, except everything is going to be darker on your computer. It can be a lot nicer on your eyes. So to go and get started, we need to go and open up the settings. Quick way of getting to the right place is right-clicking on a blank space on your computer, and you can then go and click on Personalize like so. Now what you need to do is go and scroll down and go and see the option for colors and click there, and then what you need to do is go at the top. It says choose your mode. Come over to you can select dark or custom if you want to mix a dark and light. In this case I just want all dark, so I'll go and click there. As you can see, there are going to take a few seconds and it will update. We're now using dark mode and of course you can come back here and change it when you want to. If you found this useful and you want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future.